Want to turn now to a look at the numbers, specifically the amount of money it takes to keep the City-County Health District up and running as it continues to lead the fight against COVID-19. The Health District gets funding from two sources, the City of Corpus Christi and Nueces County. And this year it appears that, well, not much additional is on the way. Our Michael Gibson sat in on a special city budget workshop to find out about the cash flow.
The director of the Public Health District, Annette Rodriguez, was at this city budget workshop where it was revealed that the city is budgeting $3.6 million for the department next year, a $200,000 increase over this year. We asked City Manager Peter Zanoni why the city didn't greatly increase the health district budget as we are battling COVID-19 for a second straight year. He explained that federal grants are going to pay for a lot of what the health district is going to be doing for quite some time.
Just that one grant of $18 million, I mean, you can imagine when our general fund is around $4 million annually, $18 million is a lot more than that, so it's going to take us some time to execute that and put it into production. So we're going to use those dollars first, and then we'll look to see how do we increase the budget going forward.
Part of the budget presentation also showed that the county is funding its part of the health district at the same rate as last year. The county judge admits more does need to be done.
We need to invest more. We have made investments along the way. Things like our diagnostic lab, machines are definitely improvements. But when you look at where we need to be, you've got to make certain that you have sustainability.
Another issue that we asked Annette Rodriguez about is her department's constant request for a new health building to be built.
Just sitting with the city and the county and letting them know that, we're going to have a plan to have a new building.
City Manager Peter Zanoni says that plan is already in the works as they're doing an assessment of the building, which was built way back in the late 1960s.
With the health building, one thing we're looking at is an assessment of the health department operations. There was money in this year's budget that's been slowed a little bit. So part of that assessment will look at the facility. Is it adequate? Is it in the right location? Does it have enough space for all the needs of the city and the county? So we're beginning to look at that.
Director Rodriguez says she's been asking for at least the past 5 years for a new health district building, which will help to better serve the needs of her department and the public she serves. Michael Gibson, 3 News.